Good morning. Good morning to all. Yesterday class we discussed about the microstrip lines. So and also we discussed about the resonant cavity. What is the frequency and what is the rectangular cavity and circular cavity. And also we discussed the cutoff wavelength of the resonant cavity. Okay. Now we want to discuss about the TEM mode representation. Okay. So here you can see the derivation of the TEMN mode. So field expression for TM modes in rectangular cavity resonator. So ఇందులో మనకి TEM mode అనేది adjustable అనేది ఇక్కడ కన్సిడరేషన్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో TM mode కి వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే here for TM mode we have EZ is equal to 0 and EZ not equal to 0 and HZ is equal to 0. Transfer magnetic కాబట్టి magnetic field అనేది 0 condition అనేది తీసుకుంటాం. So here EZ is not equal to 0. For TM wave, generally equation is we have the wave equation for TM wave. So that wave equation is considered as dou square by dou x square EZ plus dou square by dou y square EZ plus h square EZ is equal to 0. So here that is the equation number 1. So we know that EZ is equal to xy. Then you can consider dou square xy by dou x square plus dou. You can substitute the EZ xy. So h square into xy is equal to 0. So dividing the above expression with xy, then we can obtain 1 by x into dou y square by dou x square into x plus 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square plus h square is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 2. ఈ సిమిలర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ రెక్టాంగులర్ లో ఎలా అయితే మనం కన్సిడర్ చేసామో రెక్టాంగులర్ క్యావిటీలో అదే ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ and second term which is in the pure form of the y only y term of represent చేస్తుంది. So first term xy terms representation kabatti we can consider the assume that 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square is equal to b square comma minus b square comma 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square is equal to minus a square. So what will be happen? So h square is equal to a square plus b square. With చాలా చోట్ల equations లో h square is equal to a square plus b square and also. So how it will be obtained? Like this. So h square is equal to a square plus b square. So let us consider that x is equal to c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x sin b square dx and y is equal to c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. Similarly, Ez is equal to xy. So the general formula Ez is equal to xy. Then Ez is equal to c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. This is the equation number 3. So you can simplify the equation 3 by using the boundary conditions. So we know the boundary condition. We are using the rectangular cavity. So this is the rectangular cavity of the representation. So first condition which is considered as a boundary wall, z is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, that is x tends to 0 to a. So the x is equal to 0 to a. In this condition, y term will be 0 and ez is also be 0. So that is the representation here. So left side wall. So bottom wall అనేది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వాల్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కి వచ్చేసరికి 0 to b. ఇక్కడ x టర్మ్ అనేది 0 అయిపోతుంది. z is equal to 0. And top wall, coming to the top wall. So this is the top wall. So we can consider that z is equal to 0. So z is equal to 0 and y is equal to b and 0 to a, x will be tends to the 0 to a. So y is equal to b and x tends to 0 to a. So right side wall is that. So right side wall వచ్చేసరికి z is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y tends to 0 to b. These are the boundary conditions. You will be substituted the above equation. Then we can apply the some expression. So we can see here. So apply the first boundary condition to the equation number 3. So equation number 3 ki first boundary condition అనేది మనం apply చేస్తే we can obtain the c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx into c3 is equal to 0. So c3 is equal to 0, then we can obtain that z is equal to c1 cos bx plus sin c2 sin bx into c4 sin a5 equation number 4. So ఈ టర్మ్ లో ఈ టర్మ్ అనేది 0 అవ్వదు. సో ఓన్లీ C3 అనేది ఒకటే టర్మ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి C3 0 తీసుకొని ఈక్వేషన్ 3 లో కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే మనకి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 4 అనేది అప్టైన్ అవుతుంది. సో అప్లై ద సెకండ్ బౌండరీ టు ద ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 4, దెన్ వీ కెన్ అప్టైన్ దట్. సో z is equal to 0 and c1 plus 0 into c4 sin a5. సో ఈ టర్మ్ అనేది మనకి 0 అవ్వదు. సో వీ కెన్ కన్సిడర్ ద c1 c4 sin a5 is equal to 0. So ఈ టర్మ్ అనేది మనకి 0 అవ్వదు కాబట్టి only c1 is equal to 0. Substitute this equation in the equation number 4. Then we can obtain that z is equal to c2 sin bx, c4 sin sin ay, equation number 5. So we can apply the third boundary condition. Then we can apply the c4 sin ab is equal to 0, sin ab is equal to 0, ab is equal to n pi, a is equal to n pi by b. This is the boundary condition for this is the boundary condition for the a value. You can find out the b value also. Similarly, apply the fourth boundary condition for the equation number 5. So equation number 5 ki fourth boundary condition అనేది మనం అప్లై చేస్తే then sin b a is equal to 0, b a is equal to m I, b is equal to m pi by a. So you can substitute the a and b value in equation number 5. Then we can obtain that z is equal to c2 c4 z is equal to c2 c4 sin m pi by a into x sin n pi by b into y. So this is the equation we can obtain from the a and b value. So here you can consider the c is equal to c2 c4, then you can substitute this value. You can substitute that value, then we can obtain the equation number 6. So if you go for the basic equation, then equation 7 will be obtained. So the above, the way we propagated in the z direction, then we can consider the e power gamma z will be obtained. In z direction లో propagate అవుతే e power gamma z అనేది మనకి obtain అవుతుంది. So this is the representation of the consideration of the wave equation negative z direction, then it will be obtained plus or minus gamma z. So ఇవన్నీ మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసాం, సేమ్ సిమిలర్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్స్ లో వస్తాయి. So finally we can obtain the ez is equal to a cos ac sin m pi by x into sin n pi by b by e power j omega t into e power minus j beta t plus e power j b t. So this is the representation of the Ez in terms of the field expression for the TM mode in rectangular waveguide. So field expression for the TE mode in rectangular cavity resonator. So rectangular cavity resonator lo TE mode అనేది మనం కన్సిడరేషన్ తీసుకుంటే like that we can obtain. Okay. And here in TE mode, the electric field component propagated in z direction Ez is equal to 0. So the general equation will consider that Hz not equal to 0. So dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou Hz by dou y square plus h square Hz is equal to 0. Equation number 1. For the rectangular coordinate system, we can consider rectangular coordinate system Hz is equal to xy. So So dou square xy by dou x square plus dou square xy by dou y square plus x square xy is equal to 0. So here we can consider the single term. First term will be purely in terms of x and second term will be purely in terms of y. So here we can consider that first term will be minus b square and second term will be minus a square. So here we can obtain the h square is equal to a square plus b square. So we can, it is second order differential equation. So you can solve this expression by using the solution. X is equal to c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. Y is equal to c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. So here hz is equal to xy. So general formula మనకు substitution అనేది తీసుకుంటే hz is equal to xy. hz is equal to c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx and c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. So this is the expression for equation number 2. Then we can obtain that boundary conditions similarly previous one. So this is the TM wave. So for TM wave, you can consider the rectangular waveguide. This is the boundary condition, bottom wall and top wall and left side wall and right side wall. Okay, this is the boundary condition. So boundary conditions కి వచ్చేసరికి ఈ విధంగా మనకి boundary conditions అనేది ఉంటాయి. So consider the EX component. So EX is equal to minus gamma by h square into dou Ez by dou x minus j omega mu by h square into dou hz by dou y. So here Ez is equal to 0, general formula. So Ex is equal to minus j omega mu by h square into dou hz by dou y. So that is the expression. So you can substitute the Ez value, Ex value and hz value here. So hz value అనేది మనకి substitute చేస్తే minus j omega mu by h square dou by dou y c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx c3 cos ay plus c4 sin ay. That is the expression here. So Ex is equal to minus j omega mu by h square c1 bx plus c2 sin bx minus c3 sin ay into a plus a into c4 cos ay. So this is the expression. We can apply the first boundary condition. We can apply the first boundary condition to above expression. So 0 is equal to minus j omega mu by h square c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx into a into c4. So c4 is equal to 0. c4 is equal to 0. So substitute the c4 in the hz component. We can obtain the equation number 3. So hz is equal to c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx into c3 cos ay. So that is the expression here. So we can substitute the consider the electric field component Ey. Then Ey is equal to minus gamma by h square. So you can substitute the Ez is equal to 0 in the above expression. We can obtain Ey is equal to j omega mu by h square into dou hz by dou x. So that is the expression we can obtain. So Ey is equal to j omega mu by h square dou by dou x c1 cos bx plus c2 bx sin bx c3 cos ay. So ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లో మళ్ళీ మనం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే then we can obtain the third boundary condition will be applied for the above expression. Then we can obtain c2 is equal to 0. c2 is equal to 0. So substitute the c2 is equal to 0 in equation 3. Then hz is equal to c1 cos bx cos ay into c3. So hz is equal to you can substitute the c1 c3 is equal to c. then we can obtain that hz is equal to c into cos bx dot into cos ay. So equation number 4. So consider the ex field component, then you can substitute the ez is equal to 0 in the field component. Then we can obtain that ex is equal to minus j omega mu by h square dou by hz. Ex is equal to minus j omega mu by h square into c cos bx into minus sin ay into mu. So we can apply the ex is equal to j omega mu by h square ac cos bx sin ay. So apply the second boundary condition in the above expression, then we can obtain that 0 is equal to j omega mu by h square into ac cos bx into sin ab. So here we can consider that this term will not be 0. So we can consider the sin AB is equal to 0. Then AB is equal to n pi. So A is equal to n pi by B. A is equal to n pi by B. It is the expression for the A value, and we want to find out the B value. So consider the EY component. So EY is equal to minus gamma by h square into dou Ez by dou y plus j omega mu by h square into dou hz by dou x. So you can substitute the Ez is equal to 0 for d. So Ey is equal to, we can obtain this expression. So Ey is equal to j omega mu by h square cv into minus sin bx cos ay. So apply the fourth boundary condition for the above expression. Then we can obtain 0 is equal to minus j omega mu by h square vc sin ab into cos ab ay. Okay. So ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే sin ba అనేది నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ba is equal to m pi. Then b is equal to m pi by a. M pi by a. That is the b value. And you can substitute the a and b in the expression of the equation number 4. So hz is equal to c into cos bx sin ay. So hz is equal to c into cos m pi by a into x cos n pi by b into y. Similar into e power j omega t minus gamma z. Okay, e power minus j omega t into gamma z. So equation number 5. So hz is equal to c into cos m pi by a into x cos n pi by b into y e power j omega t e power minus gamma z. So z direction తీసుకుంటే పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ అవుతుంది. సో పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ z డైరెక్షన్ పాజిటివ్ z డైరెక్షన్ తీసుకుంటే మనం ఫైనల్ గా ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ లో e పవర్ j omega t plus or minus gamma z వస్తుంది. So here gamma value will be j beta value. So we can substitute that gamma in place of j beta will be replaced, and here finally j will be common and omega t plus plus or minus beta z will be taken the value. So if you amplitude constants for the wave propagation in z direction in negative direction, so you can add the amplitudes of a plus and a minus here. So finally we can obtain the some expression which is related to the e power j beta minus e power minus j beta z is equal to 2j sin beta z. So you can substitute that value. Z is equal to c cos m pi by a x into cos n pi by b y into sin beta z into e power j omega t minus gamma z. So this is the expression that will be obtained for the hz. సో మనకు వచ్చిన ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అనేది ఈ విధంగా మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం hz వాల్యూ. సో ez వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, hz వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. సో ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఒకవేళ క్యావిటీ మీద అడగకపోతే they will derive the expression for the TM mode and TE mode in rectangular cavity resonator. Rectangular cavity resonator. That is the expression for the rectangular cavity resonator. So ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతాడు మైక్రోస్ట్రిప్ లైన్ కానీ సర్క్యులర్ వేవ్ గైడ్ కానీ టీఈ మోడ్ కానీ సెకండ్ యూనిట్ లో ఒక డెరివేషన్ అనేది కంపల్సరీగా ఉంటుంది. ఒక డెరివేషన్ రాకపోతే ది లాస్ట్ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ విల్ బి కంబైన్డ్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్. So this is the rectangular cavity TE mode and TM mode. So next వచ్చేసరికి quality factor and coupling coefficients for cavity resonator. Cavity resonator ki quality factor and coupling coefficient అనేది కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. So quality factor for the cavity resonator Q is equal to W0 into capital W by T. So మనకి W0 అనేది resonant frequency, capital W వచ్చేసరికి maximum energy stored, and P is the average power loss. So we can consider the Q is equal to W0 under 2 pi F0. So 2 pi F0 into maximum energy stored per cycle by average power loss. That is the quality factor in the cavity resonator. So the quality factor of the resonator circuit or anti-resonator circuit is measured of the frequency sensitivity. So frequency sensitive అనేది quality factor ni measure చేస్తుంది. So the quality factor of a perfect ideal cavity resonator is infinite. So perfect ideal cavity resonator అనేది కన్సిడరేషన్ తీసుకుంటే దాని ఒక వాల్యూ అనేది ఇన్ఫైనైట్ అనేది కన్సిడరేషన్ తీసుకుంటాం. So that is P is equal to power loss is equal to 0. So Q is equal to W0 into capital W by 0. That is equal to infinite. So ఎప్పుడు ఇన్ఫైనైట్ అవుతుంది? పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఐడియల్ cavity resonator అయితే then Q factor will be, quality factor will be 0. Quality factor will be 0. So general formula for quality factor is given as 1 by QL is equal to 1 by Q naught plus 1 by Q external. So మనకి quality factor లో general formula వచ్చేసరికి ఈ ఫార్ములాని ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. 1 by QL plus is equal to 1 by Q naught plus 1 by Q external. So where Q naught is the quality factor of the unloaded cavity resonator. Q naught is the quality factor of the unloaded cavity resonator. And QL is the loaded quality factor. And Q external is the quality factor due to the ohmic loss externally. Ohmic losses due to externally. So that is the quality factor of the representation. So this is the quality factor. Mainly we have three types of coupling cases in coupling coefficients. Coming to the critical coupled, undercoupled and overcoupled. So ఈ కేసెస్ ని మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. ప్రీవియస్ కూడా వచ్చింది మనకి ఇది టాపిక్, critical coupled and undercoupled and overcoupled. So an unloaded resonator can be represented as a series or parallel resonant circuit. So a unloaded quality factor is given as Q naught is equal to W naught into L by R. Q naught is equal to W naught into L by R. So that is the Q is the ohmic losses given by Q external is equal to W naught into L by KR. K is the coefficient coupling coefficient. So K is the coupling coefficient. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ కండిషన్స్ ఇక్కడ వస్తున్నాయి, కండిషన్స్ ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. కానీ అన్లోడెడ్ రెసినేటర్ అనేది కన్సిడరేషన్ తీసుకుంటే అన్లోడెడ్ క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ వచ్చేసరికి Q నాట్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఓమ్నిక్ లాసెస్ వచ్చేసరికి Q external is equal to omega naught into L by KR. So here K is the coefficient, coupling coefficient. So critical coupled. So coming to the critical coupled, Q naught is equal to W naught into L by R. Q external is equal to W naught into L by KR. So K is equal to 1. If you consider the assume K is equal to 1, then we can obtain 1 by QL is equal to 1 by Q naught plus 1 by Q external. So that is the basic formula this is. So here 1 by QL is equal to 1 by W naught by R into L plus 1 by W naught into L by KR. So R and common is the 1 plus K by omega naught into L అనేది వస్తుంది. So finally we can obtain that K is equal to 1. We can assume that 2R by omega naught L will be the final value. So QL is equal to omega naught into L by 2R. So QL is equal to 1 by 2 into Q naught. QL is equal to 1 by 2 into Q naught. That is the formula for the critical coupled. Critical coupled condition and the QL is equal to half into Q naught. That is the critical coupled. So undercoupled. So undercoupled వచ్చేసరికి for undercoupled K less than 1, the cavity terminal of the voltage is minimum. Cavity terminal of the voltage is minimum. And impedance is reciprocal of the standing wave ratio. Impedance is reciprocal of the standing wave ratio. So K is equal to 1 by rho. So K is equal to 1 by rho. So 1 by QL is equal to 1 by Q naught plus 1 by Q external. So 1 by QL is equal to 1 by W naught into L by R plus 1 by Q naught. Same substitution of the Q naught value substitute చేస్తున్నాం 1 by external Q external అనేది value substitute చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనం substitute చేస్తున్నామో ఇక్కడ మనకి K is equal to 1 కాదు. So K is equal to 1 by rho కాబట్టి then you can substitute that value. You can obtain that 1 by QL is equal to R into omega naught into L into 1 plus 1 by rho. So you can simplify this expression. This is the QL. So QL is equal to rho by rho plus 1 into Q naught. So this is the expression for the undercoupled. Critical coupled వచ్చేసరికి ఏమైంది QL is equal to half into Q naught. Half into Q naught. That is the critical coupled. And third case overcoupled. So overcoupled వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే for overcoupled K greater than 1. K greater than 1. So the cavity terminals of the voltage is maximum and the impedance is standing wave ratio. Impedance is standing wave ratio. So K is equal to rho. K is equal to rho. 1 by QL is equal to 1 by QL is equal to same formula 1 by Q naught plus 1 by Q external. So you can substitute the Q naught value and Q external value. So you can obtain the formula 1 by QL is equal to R by omega naught L into 1 plus K. So ఇక్కడ K value ఏంటి rho అని తీసుకున్నాం 1 plus rho అనేది కన్సిడరేషన్ తీసుకున్నాం. So finally we can obtain that QL is equal to omega naught L by R is equal to 1 by 1 plus rho. So QL is equal to 1 by 1 plus rho into Q naught. This is the formula for the critical అయిపోయింది under అయిపోయింది. We can obtain the overcoupled. So overcoupled ఒక formula. Critical కి వచ్చేసరికి ఏమో half into Q naught ఉంది. Overcoupled కి వచ్చేసరికి ఏమో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా ఉంది rho by rho plus 1. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే 1 by 1 plus rho into Q naught. That is the expression for the undercoupled, overcoupled and critical coupled. So tomorrow class we can discuss the excitation techniques. So exciting techniques అనేది cavity resonator లో ఎలా యూస్ చేస్తాం resonator cavity. So ఇది కూడా అడుగుతున్నాడు ఒకసారి. So tomorrow class లో we can discuss the exciting techniques. Okay. Thank you.